You want a new spin, ultra lightweight on a classic bunkhouse floor plan? I got you right now. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young standing inside the Keystone Passport GT. This is the 2401BH, 29 feet 3 inches, roughly 5,900 pounds. Well, 5,847 if you want to be exact. Ultra lightweight Keystone traditional floor plan bunkhouse unit that I think you and your family are going to love. The GT series is a premium travel trailer. So fiberglass exterior, lightweight. You're going to get things like right up here in the master bedroom, which is the front cap. You're going to get the decorative decor, mushroom light, frosted glass inlay in the shaker style cabinets here with the matte black pull and the hideaway hinges. This is one of the things I like to point out, that if a manufacturer puts this in the RV, they're going to go a little bit of an extra mile to give you something that's quality. I like how we also do the flat face here on the ward storage. So ward bar, storage shelf on both sides, as well as nightstand space with 110 and dual USB. You do have the inverted outlets in here because these Keystone products come with the Solar Flex option on it. 200 panel, upgradable to 400, where you'll also get an inverter. You do have windows on both sides with the pleated shades, TV mounting bracket on the front, and I'll tell you why I really want to point this out. Most of the times in floor plans like this, where you have the pocket door separating the bedroom from the rest of the RV, the TV is either on the camp or the off-camp wall. Which means when you're laying here to watch TV, you got to do this or you got to do this. And I'm just not a fan of that. I'd much rather do this, where I'm looking straight ahead. So, inverted outlet, Key TV multi-source connection, so no matter if I plug into the cable or the satellite at the campground, it's going to be smart enough to know it. I also got the Blade AC system right here for my 15K BTU AC that is ducted in my arched ceilings here, giving me 81 inches of head clearance as we walk into the master area. L-shaped kitchen over here on the campsite with the pressed surface countertop. I got the extendable shelf here with the undermounted stainless steel sink and drying rack. High-rise faucet with the pull-down sprayer. I like that because, I mean, you just get much better cleaning. And the fact that you got two drying racks that cover the whole thing, you know, you're really just maximizing this. Got your GE HVAC controls right here. And look at the backsplash. I like what they did here. They actually went almost all the way up to the top. I'm used to the backsplashes being like right here or like maybe over the faucet. So having that there, pretty nice. More storage here. Hideaway hinges once again. And with the 81-inch high arch ceilings, you're going to get more space. I mean, you can really see the arch here where, you know, everything kind of goes higher as we get to the mid portion of the RVing. More storage there. Pressed surface countertop. Solid wood construction, full extension, drawer guides. Good little spot for a trash can there. Great pot and pan storage right there, which is located underneath the 16-inch Furion oven, which is a recessed cooktop, 3-burner, with the glass cover and the grill-style grates. And I got 2 windows over here on the campsite with the decorative backsplash in between. Nice flow with this. Upgraded flooring, tough lock thermoplastic duct joiners in my ducts for my heating. So you're not going to have soft spots in the floor. That's pretty much what that means. The blade system with the AC does a hurricane spin on the air. So you get about 30% more effectiveness on the cooling. The duct joiners for the heating really not only keeps it from crushing or collapsing and getting soft spots, it's also going to make sure you get that airflow there as well. So very nice features. Flush mounted Furion microwave here. 40-inch smart TV on the extension arm here. So if you want to pull it out, you absolutely can. And behind there, you can see the inverted outlet as well as another Key TV multi-source connection. Oh, maybe. Okay, there we go. Oh, Chris, don't break it. I'm going to buy it. Countertop, great space for the games or whatever. I mean, you can even put your components there if you want to, maybe. I mean, you probably have to drill a hole in the countertops. I don't know if I'd do that, but just storage space. It's a great thing about an RV. It's if you want to make this a fishing cabin and put your fishing lures in The silverware drawer, why not? You bought the RV, do with it what you want. It's your RV, that's what I love about it. With the Dragonfly lithium batteries, you do get the battery heater on these because when they get cold, they do need to be heated up to work. Got your command panel here, lights for the accents right here, and your Girard tankless on-demand water heater right there. Main access point, which is right in front of the rear campsite, double over double bunks. Got 2 privacy curtains on these. Got the extra thick cushion on top of these. Do me a favor. If you're going to get bunks, you're going to have kids, adults, whatever, sleeping on those bunks, go ahead and get the mattress topper too. Just trust me. This is thicker than what you're going to get in most bunk models, but still, if you really want to be comfy, get the mattress topper. Extra wide ladder. I always do the foot check, and having this I like because if it's bigger than my foot, that means should be wide enough for me to get my hefty self up there. Fold up, lockable storage compartment if we need it. Great for the bikes. And they even gave us the rear hatch so you can load in stuff without having to come through the door. So if you got the bikes, a kayak, because if you notice where this edge comes out also flows with the countertop in the kitchen. So if you did need that space going all the way up, great spot for a kayak, for the bikes, the bags, you know, laundry baskets, whatever you need. Solid door leading us into the loo, where I'm going to get the high-rise plastic bowl. Okay, now this is where it might get a little tight. Yeah, that's a little tight. I mean, I still got room, so I'm not knocking my knees on anything, but it is a little tight for a bathroom. I got the corner-mounted vanity here with the matte black nozzle. Got some storage underneath. Inverted outlet there. Mirrored medicine cabinet. 3 shelves. Okay, that's actually kind of nice. Good storage space. I'm not used to seeing 3. I usually only see 2, so that's a nice feature. Vent and fan. Window here. And my shower surround with the skylight, which gives me the headroom that I need, because if I had a regular size 4 head, I probably wouldn't need it, but I got a 7, 8, 9 head, so I do need the skylight with the inlay here. Retractable shower door. That's kind of nice. These do a good job of giving you extra space to get in and out of the shower. But this right here, you just got to watch, because if you yank it too hard, it will tear. Shower nozzle, hot and cold. Yeah, corner notches. Yeah, cool with this. Then right here, more storage. Could be pantry, could be ward, because you got the ward bar there. You got the adjustable shelves. Love that they put that in there. So I can move it around, and then standard like grab and go storage down beneath. Last but not least, here on the interior, it's going to be my Dinette. Now this reduces down into a sleeper. You will notice that there's no carpet in the slide. You got that marine grade weave. I like that. Got the pull down blackouts in here. That's nice, as opposed to the pleated shades, because that's, you know, going to help with the privacy as well as the light. And I got storage underneath, thanks to the pull-out drawers on both sides on the drawer guides. And then they give me the 10.7 cubic foot Furion 12 volt fridge here, the fridge freezer combo, which is vibration smart, frost resistant, and it has the acrylic front, so it kind of gives it that nice sheeny appearance. Got to tell you, man, overall, for a classic bunkhouse floor plan, you know, pretty standard family bunkhouse floor plan, put it in the Passport GT Series 2401, new floor plan for this year. They put their spin on it, and I like it. They gave you some upgrades that you usually don't get, like the oversized countertops. Just pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Nice spin on the classic. Let's go take a look at what's on the outside. I like the groove that they did in the front cap. It is a fiberglass end cap here on the exterior of the 2401BH Keystone Passport GT. You got the mini rock guard down here, 10-inch single welded frame, really sturdy support for this coach. Plus you got the Dragonfly lithium batteries, your Gigi box, which is a very easy to use battery disconnect. And you'll also notice that it's under the extension, so it's kind of protected. You got the power tongue jack up front, twin 20-pound LP tanks. And you even got like a little solar quick connect over there if you want to get the briefcase to help charge those batteries. But with the solar flex that you have on top, I mean, if you don't have the 400, I always suggest upgrading, because more solar, more power. Slam latch baggage doors. with the magnetic holders here from a pass-through storage, which is finished off. You're prepped for tire pressure monitoring. Please get that with any RV that you get. A good shot of how they finished off the storage. You got your little light right there, and the aluminum superstructure, which makes up the guts of this coach. Add that to the fact that you got the foam core insulation, you know, the barriers that are on this, the polypropylene one-piece enclosed underbelly. Will do a good job of being a 3-season coach, maybe even deep 3-season coach. Extra large awning, LED light strip, marine grade speakers, 80% tint on my windows that are sealed, and safety windows here. Got my Key TV multi-source connection and mounting bracket. If I want to put a TV outside, I can. GFCI outlet outside. Ooh, nice rims too. Got the aluminum rims there. Dexter Easy Lube axles, 14 inches. The Trailer King tires. Solid step above steps leading me into the main entry point here with the grab handle door guard. Spray port, so you know if you need an outside shower, wash off the kids, the dogs, yourself, the bikes, whatever. Got the spray port right there. And how about an outside kitchen with the griddle. Now, this is an extension arm that folds out. To be honest, I'm not really a fan of this. I just like the standards. Yeah, sure, this does give you a little bit more form and function, but I'm just not a fan of it myself. I would just keep it right here. You got the little mini hot point fridge, some storage components there, plus your LP Quick Connect down below if you need it. We'll let that just kind of lay right there. Hey, Ron? Sewer hose storage located underneath, keeping this thing because you are 29 feet 3 inches. So the fact that they put that under there, hey, I'm under 30 feet. So it might be a sweet spot for some of the state parks. Solid ladder mounted on top so you can get on the fully walkable roof. And right there, you can really see the arch of this thing. I like that. That's gonna make sure the water, the snow stays off the top. The rain nozzles are gonna make sure it doesn't fall on you or on the slide. Escape hatch right here for loading stuff in. Very easy to lift this up and load stuff in if you need to. Good space, very good space. And the fact that it's only open from the rear, it's lockable. Nobody's gonna mess with it. Spare tire mounted on the back. Come around over here and you'll see we have our 30 amp plug, and underneath you can't really see it, but that's our terminations for our tanks. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe we have 54, 76, and 38 on our tanks. White, gray, and black, respectively. True fit slide construction, which means it's made for that spot. Cable slide, so it's going to reduce the components, moving stuff in and out, reduce the components, reduce the stuff that can break. Plus it's sealed all the way around, and you'll just have less moisture permeation thanks to the True Fit slide construction. I like that. Back of your tankless water heater. External command center right here with outside shower, fresh water connection, city water connection, black tank flush. Right here also your controls for your power stabilizer jacks, and you do have satellite prep on the roof. There's your connection for that. Right here is going to be your solar charge controller and your solar disconnect. What's awesome about having the Solar Flex is you can cut the power off to the coach, but leave the solar on, and that'll continue to use the panels to charge the battery. So very nice feature. As you can hear, somebody's backing up to come get one of these right now. Hopefully that'll be you pretty soon. 29 feet 3 inches. You are looking at not even 5,900 pounds dry. With the bunks, 2, 4, 5. You could probably, do you think you could get 2 in the dinette, Aaron? Probably not. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 7, maybe 8 if you want to cuddle. Big spoon, little spoon. But for the classic bunkhouse floor plan, putting the Passport spin on it, the 2401BH, which is a new floor plan this year, they did a good job with this one. Good job, Keystone. And you can pick this one up today at your local Camping World. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you like about it, what you not like about it. I might be way off on that griddle. Some people might like the Optimus Prime arm bringing you a ham biscuit in the morning. Not me, not a fan. And like, subscribe, and notify too, if you would, because we love hearing from you, and we hope that you enjoyed the 2401BH. And Chris Young for Camping World saying, hey, happy camping, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon.